This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Andrew McGranigan. Open house Saturday 4/12 to 4 p.m. Beautiful and lovingly maintained basement rancher loaded with opportunities. Spacious rooms, original hardwoods well protected underneath the current carpet flooring, and all situated on a level and large lot. The basement is unfinished but offers opportunity to expand the square footage and living space of the home, or as an abundance of storage and great workshop. Conveniently located just minutes from downtown, Ijams, Sevier Avenue restaurants, and everything South Knox has to offer. Come see why Colonial Village is such a thriving and special community, and make this home your own today. For more information, review the details below or contact Andrew McGranigan at 865-584